So when you take Rasayana, then, oh wow. You know, many people are alive, but they're like living dead. Yeah, they have weak senses, weak minds. They're not really able to perceive or enjoy. So the Rasayana in the Bhakti Marg is Lila. Lila is the Rasayana. Hearing Radha Krishna Lila, singing about Radha Krishna Lila, reading about Radha Krishna Lila. 45 years I'm on the Bhakti Marg. And since day one, before I started the Bhakti Marg and took shelter at Guru Ashraya, I was reading Dasamaskanda, Krishna Lila, at 23 age. At 24, I came on the Guru Ashraya. So when I read Lila, I understood this is life. And before I was doing Raj Yoga. But then when I read Lila, there's so much rust came inside. So I know the value. And so it's so painful to, I heard all the time and see all the time, and even today people are coming telling me all these kind of things. That the very medicine which will not only give us the happiness we need, it will give us the taste we want, the happiness we need, and the satisfaction we're hankering for. It's denied. No, just stay alive. Stay on the drip. You're sick, or you come inside, put him on the drip. Pop, 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 pop. He's alive. Mangalarti, 16 rounds, that's the drip. I'm alive. But you're in traction. You know, traction, you're on your legs are all up like this, and broken leg. But we saved his life. So going around and say, Hare Krishna, that's all, just chant Shabad, blah, blah, blah. That's very, very good. Everyone becomes alive. Spiritually alive. But you see so many devotees that are spiritually alive, but they're not happy. They're not satisfied. They're not blissful. Do you think that I'm like that? Because, you know, I got a sannyasi, Atiti Narayan. he's in Anand. He's in bliss. He's a yogi. I'm yogi. He's yogi. He's Atmaram. He's teaching. The Shishya. He said, come on. Take Anand Leva. Anand. Oh no, I like my Maya, you know. Manushyanam sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhati yatatam api siddhanam paschimam adi tattva. Lord, thousand, lakh. But he is Kripapatra, Guru Kripapatra, now success ho jayega. In bliss, look, see face, he's Anand. I'm Anand. There's one darpan. He has his line, I have my line. Same, Gati is the same. Anand. Ananta and Anand. Ananta and Anand, the same. This is perfection. You can see. Oh, you're bad. We're good. This is this kind of vichara. This is Maya. This is not yogi. This is not jnani. This is not bhakta. This is nobody. This is samsarika. Vivek. Oh, this is good. This is bad. There's no such thing. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was teaching, and Chaitanya Charitamrita that there's good and bad. There's no such thing. So, I mean, at least those that are with me, I've given so many books on Leela.